wise and get truckerized today.
Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Tommy and the Big Bam on this Galaxy DX47 HP. Tommy, you got all kinds of cool colors to choose from here. Let's stick it on. Well, let's see. I don't know. I'm going to go back to the clear. I like the clear. Even looks better in person. Didn't stay on my stand very well, but we'll try to get through this video. Tommy, got your amp on off switch right there in the back. Do the tune alignment to Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade. Let's get right to it. 100 watt slug. I did set you all the way down to 2, that way you have full adjustability if you decide to run like a 6 or 8 pill or something. Roll it all the way up, 30 all the way up. I'm gonna show you average power swing. Hello to 62, 63 bird. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello. About 135, 140 PEP. Also did a little talk back mod. Turn the talk back down a little bit. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Hello. So it sounds cleaner. You should heard it before. It's pretty rough, but all right, Tommy, we're gonna get it out to you, bud. I appreciate it. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum.
Get your Truckrized tune today. Truckrized.